Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on recording videos on Snapchat without holding down the record button. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Hold down on the record button to record like you normally would, and then swipe left to the padlock and let go. It will record for up to 60 seconds in 10-second sections. Tap the stop button to stop recording. You can now send that video to someone or upload it to your story like normal. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.